Hey everybody, Martin Barkey here. Welcome to my garage. Today I've got the 5th gen Dodge up on the hoist. It's a 2019 5.7. It's my own personal ride. Absolutely loving the new Dodge. MBRP makes several offerings for this truck, but today I'm going to show you the most cost-effective and the easiest way to upgrade your exhaust with MBRP. Here it is. Cut out the stock muffler. We're going to put MBRP in. Simply unbolt the flange here. Cut the factory wire tails at the back, we're good to go. Jump underneath, I'll show you what we've done. So because this is a muffler replacement, we're gonna leave the front pipe in place. So here you got the factory flange, factory resonator, all the front pipe. We're gonna come right back to here. We're gonna replace the muffler section. So starting here, MBRP has laser cut a stainless steel flange, coarse MIG welded, mandrel bent T304 stainless steel, MBRP high flow muffler, band clamps, and of course, we're going to utilize all the factory hanger locations. Now the real cool part is, we then exit into your factory wire, your factory tails, you keep the factory resonators, and then we just end up with the factory tips in place. So it may look factory, it doesn't sound factory. Let's take it outside, we'll give it a listen. So we got the 19 Ram off the hoist out on the highway. We're about to take it for a rip. This is the muffler bypass setup. So you know what? Let's get it out there and hear what it sounds like. Before we do that though, I want to give you a quick heads up on how to get rid of the multi-displacement cylinder activation that you have on your 19 Ram. I have the truck running. I'm going to put it into drive, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit the minus button, and then I'm going to hit the plus button and toggle up until I see the number 8 appear in my dash. It's nice and easy, but for me, and I know most of you guys are the same, I want to hear the V8 sound. I don't want to hear my cylinders cutting out. So that's all done. Let's get it out on the road and give it a listen. Nice mellow acceleration. Yeah, you know what? Love this sound. Again, it's such a simple setup. Simply take your stock muffler off and put this high flow muffler bypass into place. Yeah, I'm into 8th gear now. Basically, I've got a deeper lower tone than stock, but it's not in the cab. I've got a performance tone in the cab, but never would I say, wow. And yet, it's still aggressive outside. So for those of you that have seen the video of the 5145, that's the resonator and muffler bypass, all in one, gone. And then we leave the stock resonator in place on this one and only replace the muffler. If I kick it down, yeah, I can hear a performance tone out back there, of course, but no drone in the cab, just a nice mellow performance tone. What I'm gonna do here is whip around this median and give you guys a quick listen at wide open throttle. Yeah, that sounds good. So quickly, part number 5143, MBRP, direct bolt-on, ease of installation. This is our high flow muffler bypass. Check it out at mbrp.com.